how to actually make money on Robinhood. So in this video, I will show you how to do that. Just follow a few easy steps. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Robinhood app on your phone and now add money to your account. So how to do that? To make money, you need to add some funds first. Tap the account icon on the bottom right corner, then tap transfers and choose add funds, as you can see here. Enter how much money you want to deposit and confirm. After that, choose a stock to buy. So now that you have money on your account, search for a stock you want to invest in. You can tap on the search bar at the top and type the name of a stock or ETF. Once you find it, tap on it to see the details. After that, buy the stock. So tap trade, then tap buy. Choose how many shares you want to buy. If you like the price, swipe up to confirm the purchase. And now the final step is wait for the stock to goes up. So now you can wait for the stock to increase in value. When it goes up, you can sell it for a profit. And so this is how to actually make money on Robinhood. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.